The original sound machine, beloved by generations since 1962, the Dohm model features our fan-based natural white noise producing our signature sound, the soothing ambient sounds of rushing air, without the disturbance of actual moving air. Customized sound experience. With 2 speed options for adjustable tone and volume, making it simple to create a personalized sound environment, excellently masking background noise and allowing for better sleep, office privacy, effective soothing for kids and babies, and calming for sound-sensitive dogs. Unbeatable quality guarantee. Sleeping is believing. For over 50 years, Yogasleep by Marpac has been the gold standard in white noise machines. Read the reviews and you'll learn why. Assembled for decades in the USA and backed by a 1-year limited warranty and the always exceptional Yogasleep customer service promise, we stand behind each product and offer you a 30-day return policy. Simple to use. Powered by an 8-foot 120 volts AC plug. Just plug in the Dohm, flip the switch to high or low, then rotate the cap and collar to find the best sound for you. Let the noise masking magic happen for a natural sleep aid, office privacy, baby soothing, tinnitus relief, respite from noisy snorers and unfamiliar hotel rooms, and a relaxing calming balm for barking dogs. Updated, streamlined design. Featuring a new, intuitive Michael Graves design, the Dohm is available in charcoal, or white with accents in blue, pink, green, or gray. Top reviews from the United States. Marpac. Oh Marpac. We live above a cigar factory and could never get a good night's sleep before Marpac came into our lives. He's the brother I never had. Sings to us all night long like a champ. Only knows one song though. I think it was in the soundtrack to an 80s movie.